Hey, welcome once again to this YouTube video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get all our latest video. So in this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to explain on how you can send bulk SMSs using our portal, which is our Umiskia software portal. So in order to access this portal, you just need to visit our website at umiskiasoftware.com. Then you can just click here, portal login. This is where you can access our portal. Then click it. It will redirect you to our login page. This is our login page. Here it's where you can enter, you can log in using your email and password. But if you don't have an account, you can just come here, create an account. Then after creating an account, you just type your name, full name, Salvin Kiveo. Then you can write your email, umiskia@gmail.com. This is your email. Then write here your phone number. We will start with 7 because you can choose different countries. If you're in Kenya, you can just choose 254. By default it will come with 254. Then write 68 168 060. That's my number. Then let me type the password. Then confirm the password. Then click sign up. The two passwords do not match. Make sure they match so that you let me match. And login. Okay, now you will be sent an email, but you can still log in. Let me log into my account because my account has been created successful. Then I'm going to write the password, then login. So let it wait it to load. Now when you first log in, the first time when you create an account, you'll be redirected to this your account information. Here it's where you can see your full name, your email, phone numbers, and the country that you registered in. Now you can see here you product used, you have no product. So here it's where you'll be redirected until you choose the product that you want to use. For example, in here we have hotspot billing manager and we have SMS, and these two are coming soon. So for now we want to access the how to send SMS. So you're going to click SMS, check it here, then click save product. After you have saved, you'll see this menu has adjusted itself, and here you already clicked, so you can access your dashboard. So for now we have no balance, so you can just come here at top up balance. Here you can just come here, top up balance. So this is my number, so let me top up around 50 shillings, or you can top up even as little as 10 shillings. Then you see here the balance is empty, so let me top up 50 shillings. Then you click top up SMS to credit your account so that you can send any SMSs. Now I have received an SDK push on my phone. Then I'm going to enter my M-Pesa pin, then click here complete, and you see it has already automatically topped up itself. And now it is one I've bought 50. For 50 I've been given 125 SMSs, so I can send 125 SMSs for 50 shillings. So we offer 0.4 shillings per SMSs. Now you can click your dashboard. Here you can see I have SMSs, the SMSs that I've just bought for 50 shillings. Now in order to send an SMS using an API, this is what I'm going to teach in this tutorial. I'm not going to teach on how you can send it direct from the portal, because sending it direct from the portal is just self-explanatory. You can just click here at send SMS, then enter your phone number. You can choose either to send bulk SMS by separated by comma. So if you enter, you write 0768.168.0060, or you can choose a CSV. You can click here to download the CSV that is the correct format. So you can fill your number, then upload the CSV, then choose the send ID that you want to send with, then you write here your the message that you want to send to the numbers that you have inputted on the CSV. So the next thing, what we are interested in this video, or what I'm going to teach you in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to send it via the API. Also, here you can come here again and visit umesikiasoftware.com, so that you can get where the API documentation is. So here at our landing page, you can see here at the top we have developers. You can click developers. After developers, this, now you see you have this documentation. This is the documentation that you can use. Any API that we are going to create, you will find them here. So you just click here, get started. So get started, this is where the introduction on what you need to do. So first we have this documentation. Here you can read the documentation. So in order to consume our API, you just need to have an API key. I'm going to show you on how you can get an API key from your account. But if you are a developer for either C#, PHP, any other programming language, you can just click here at get access code on GitHub, where it will redirect you to our GitHub page, and then you will click repositories. On the repository here we have on how to consume in each and every language, PHP, JavaScript, Python, Java, Kotlin, C#, and this is JavaScript. This is another project which will not be visible to yours, it will be visible to me. So here you will get on how to consume it to a perspective language. So here, let's come here to the documentation. You see, we need first to get an API key. So an API key, in order to get an API key, you just need to go back to your account, then click settings. After clicking settings, you will click API. Then here, the first time when you access it, you will get this, and then you will get here generate API key. So in order to get an API key, you just click generate API key. Then it will be automatically generated to you. Then go back to the API. Then here, this is the API key that you have. Now let me consume our API using let me consume this API using PHP. Now first, what we're going to do, I'm going to clone the GitHub repository. I had already cloned for PHP here, so I'm going to take the shortest time in order to show you on how to send. So when you clone this, the PHP, if you're a PHP developer, here it is. When you clone it from into your machine, so you can just come here at send SMSs. You can see here I've written notes on how you can send. So here you need to replace with your API key. So in order to get your API key, you need to come here at your account, then here at your API key, then copy the API key. After that, then replace it here. Replace it here. Then here you will enter your email. For me was Muskia. Then this is the SMS that that we are going to set it to test it. We're going to send. Then here you will write the phone number that you want to send airtime to. Not airtime, you're going to send the SMS to. So 68.168 or 060. Then here, this is where you will write the number. So this number is correct. I'm going to send SMS to this number. So here, then I'm going to I think everything is okay. Then when you get this, it means that you have successfully sent the message. Now let me come here at this, and I'm going to access localhost. Then Meskia, let me write Meskia. Let me see it. Written Meskia API PHP. So I'm going to clean this. and then I'm going to try to mask here because it's I have accessed now this account. This is where I have accessed the SMS API. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on send SMSs so that we can see if we will receive send successful. Now let's wait. Now see we have a successful message. Now let's wait and see if we will receive the SMS. Now here it is. So this is where you've seen it. Now this is there. You have received. You can see here at the top. I have been sent using our default send ID, which is 23107. Now this is how you send message to that. And still on our API, you can see here, you can come to our documentation here. You see this is sending SMS. So these are the headers, requirement, and parameters that we are used to send in order to get. So when you get this means that you have successfully sent the SMSs, and you can still get the credit balance. You can remember we had our balance at 125, but when you come back here, my balance is 124, meaning I've sent one SMS. So you can see here at SMS. Now this is what I've sent using the API. Now I want to check the balance direct using our API. You can see here this is check balance. So this is the URL in order to get the SMS balance. So you can see now. So let's now test it on our API here. So send SMS. Let me take this because they are the same. I'm going to take this, then I'm going to put it here. Sorry, I don't know what's up. I think they are not in the same format. So let's take just this as API key. We take this API key, then I'm going to just write here my Gmail. So when I come and go back, then I check. Let me check the balance. You can see, let us wait. You can see my credit balance is 124. Now let's now come back and check the SMS delivery. We can check SMS delivery here in our documentation. You can also see SMS report, so you can see if the message that you sent was sent successful or there was an error with it. So in order to check if the message was sent successful, you just need to come here and delivery. You can see API delivery. So this is delivery. So you just need your API key, SMS, your email, and your request ID. So this is what we are going to do. I'm going to take this. This is the request ID. I'm going to replace it with this. Then I'm going to write here Gmail, not Gmail, sorry. I'm going to write my email here. Then I'm going to replace with the API key, which is this. Let me replace it here. Now let's test and see if this message was delivered successful. So I'm going to click on SMS delivery. Okay, you can see now it means that our SMS was delivered successful. You can see the request ID, which is this, the time that it was sent, the sender ID that was used to send, then the recipient number that you sent the SMS to, the amount of SMS that it deducted to your account, then the network that the number is, now the message that you sent, and then the status that it was sent. When it states that it is delivered to terminal, it means that it has been sent successful. Now the important part that I have decided to the reason why I decided to start this bulk SMS company is because most bulk SMS company lacks callback. Now ours has a callback, so you can receive all the SMSs that was sent in a specific URL. So in order to do that, you just need to do this. you need to in order to get, let me do this, you need to log in into your account. Let me log in into my account, my cPanel that I host my website with. Then I'm going to access the this file manager. I think I had opened it in another browser. So this is the file manager. I'm going to access here at public. Then I'm going to create here a folder which I'm going to name SMS data. SMS data, this is the folder. Then I'm going to do this, access SMS data. Where is SMS data? Here, SMS data. Then I'm going to create a file, this file here. I'm going to create this file which is the callback, so that you can get, this is the callback, Control A, Control C. Then I'm going to this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to create this file here, then create. After it has created successful, I'm going to edit. Now edit the file. So the file, this is the file. Then I'm going to write a small PHP code here, so that we can see, we can get the exact URL where it is. Echo umesikia softwares, yeah. Then I'm going to save it. Then in order to access this, I'm going to write umesikia, then the folder that we created, which was SMS data. Then I'm going to write, I'm going to take this, I'm going to take this callback, rename this callback, cancel, then paste it here. Then see if this is the URL. Now in this URL, it means that this, the file that we have created is the file that we have created is the same as this. So this URL, I'm going to take it. Then I'm going to access back to my account. I'm going to click settings, then I'm going to add click API, then add. Then you will choose the product that you want the callback URL to have. Then here you can just paste it here. This is the callback, so all SMS data will be sent to this callback URL. Then add it. After you have added it, it will appear here down. So this is where it is. Now you can just do this. You can come back. Then let's remove that and take this code from GitHub. Then take Control C. Then I'm going to paste it here. Now you see, yeah, now all the SMSs will be sent here. You can see in this code we are going to receive that data, then store it in a JSON file, which is SMS response.json. Then it will be sent here. We will create, you can see when we reload there is nothing. Now let us now go and send a new message. This message I'm going to customize it. I'm going to customize it here. Let's test it in another format. I'm going to write umesikia software for all your softwares and website development. Now this is the SMS that I'm going to send. Now let's come back here, then send the SMS. Let's send it. Now you see I have sent it successful and I've received it in my phone here. Yeah, now that's I've received it in my phone. Now this is after receiving it in my phone. I'm going to go back to this folder. Then I'm going to reload to see if the data that the SMS that I sent, the data has been received in this callback URL. Now I can open here. You see, now you see this is the JSON format that we had received. This is the JSON format. Here I'm going to paste it here, then format it. You see, now this is the response, the callback data that I've received in form of a JSON. And now you can come here, Here, this is where it has been sent. Now here it's where it's where you can update your database or what you want to do when the SMS has been delivered. Now that's how you send SMS or from our portal using our API. Now if you can just try it out. We have so many product I'm going to show you, because this is an application that I've been working on for the longest period I've remembered. Now if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and always hit that notification bell so that every time when I upload anything, you will get our video. So see you in the next video. Bye.